Serbian folk proverbs published by Stefanović Karadžić. In Vienna, in the printing house of the Armenian monastery Titinca Sordidade, nije onđe štete koja u loncu vri, što se zakolje, nego što pojedu kurjaci, ili ga onako nestane, ili se omrcini. No harm ever befalls that which simmers in the pot. The true loss lies in what is taken by wolves, becomes nothing, or spoils away. Protecting resources prevents unexpected losses. Nikad neće imati tri jake za vratom. You will never have three strong ones upon your neck. Never face insurmountable challenges simultaneously. Ni se u dobru ponesi, ni u zlu poništi. In prosperity, do not let pride carry you away. In adversity, do not let it defeat you. Stay humble and resilient. Nokati meso, oni su ili on je s njim, te paze se. Nail and flesh, e.g. they are inseparable, or he is vigilant with him. Unbreakable bond or careful vigilance. Od zle žene i đava druga ukloni se da te ne obruga. U Crnoj Gorn, avoid wicked wives and bad friends lest they bring you shame. In Montenegro, avoid bad influences to prevent disgrace. Po varošima se govorin, piši ugljenom u ošaku, pište drva na vatri kao da se djevojka u kući rodila. Mjesto u kući govori se i u selu. In the towns it's said, write with charcoal in the chimney. The wood is chirping on the fire as if a girl had been born at home. Sometimes it's said in the village too, celebration of a girl's birth. Podjednaka družina jede mesa i na veliki petak, a ne jedina ni na pretili četvrtak, u boci. A harmonious group feasts even on Good Friday, while a discordant one struggles on a fat Thursday. Unity breeds prosperity, discord hinders abundance. Pod jednim pazuhom ne mogu se dvije lubenice nositi. You can't carry two watermelons under one arm. Limit your responsibilities. Prodrta vreća ne može se napuniti. A torn sack can never be filled. Repairs precede progress. Svaki ima s jednu dušu, pa je valja čuvati jer kad se ogriješi i izgubi druge nema, niti se može dobiti. Every person has but one soul, thus it must be safeguarded, for once it is wounded or lost, another cannot be acquired. Value and protect your soul. Svaki će mu skok valjati mačarije, kad se za koga kazuje kako će dobro bježati. Every jump of his will be like magic when it's claimed that he'll flee well. Effort praised might not ensure success. Svak svojoj kapi zna čud. Every hat knows its own head. Everyone is aware of their own nature. Sveži likom, pa ne daj nikom. Odgovori se u šali onome koji kaže da ga što boli. Fresh as a daisy, yet unwilling to share. Respond with humor to one who complains of a hurt. Don't complain, humor is a better response. Siromah je đavo u jami, kad se za koga reče da je siromah. The poor are like devils trapped in a pit. Poverty can be inescapable and overwhelming. Si ti ja i moj gost, ko mnogo je, meni mio nije. Pripovjeda se kako je nekom čovjeku došao šura na konak, pa žena zgotovi i donese lijepu večeru, ali tek što počnu jesti, a domaćin rekne, si ti ja i moj gost, ko mnogo je, meni mno nije, nosi ženo. Pošto žena jelo digne i legnu spavati, zet ustane te večera, a šura ostane gladan. Isto tako dočeka on i drugoga šuru, a kad mu dođe treći, koji je bio malo i suludast, on mu na ove riječi, si ti ja i moj gost, odgovori, ako si ti sit, ja nijesam, pa se onda naklopi te pojede svu večeru i ostavi zeta gladna i te ti i daj. Content am I and my guest, he who eats too much is no friend of mine. The tale tells of a man whose brother-in-law came to stay. The wife prepared a fine supper, but just as they began to eat, the host declared, content am I and my guest, he who eats too much is no friend of mine. Take it away, wife. After the food was removed and they lay down to sleep, the brother-in-law stealthily ate the supper, leaving the host hungry.
If you enjoyed this book preview, click on the link below to Amazon and consider buying the softcover book. Thank you.